is, y'all? It's your boy Dylan, the Day Trader, man. I'm back in this thing with another banger, baby. Hey, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, man. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. I did. Hey, man, back with another one. Simple as that, back with another one. Dropping them every Tuesday, like I told y'all. Back with another one. And I feel like y'all really gonna enjoy this one, man, because this particular video, which y'all gonna know what it is by the title, it's really it's really going to help you understand how the market is moving, where the market is going, and how it reacts off certain levels. All right, so before I get into this video, man, y'all make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button, help out your boy, like it, subscribe if you're new, and make sure you share this video with someone that you feel can benefit from it. All right, so without further ado, man, everybody go ahead and just drop out with some of this sauce and this knowledge that I have for you guys today in this video. So let me get up out the way. Pretty boy coming through. Alright, where I'm at, boom. I bet. So support and resistance, guys. Support and resistance, y'all. It's gonna be that's what this video is about. Alright. Support and resistance, you can use this anywhere. Crypto, Forex, stock market. So support and resistance is like the main way most people trade. You know, they use trend lines and they use support resistance levels, which kind of ties into like major levels and key levels. But you know, that's another video for another day. But what support and resistance is explained. Boom. Support is like a floor. It's an area where price struggles to break and close below. All right. And resistance is like a ceiling. It's an area where price struggles to break and close above. So, excuse me. What I mean by that? So I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna go back to support. All right. So support is like a floor. So okay, say you know how you walking on the floor. You're walking on the floor. You can't go down through the floor, right? So that's what support is. The market is trading. Say the market is in a in an uptrend or something like that, and it wants to get ready to break and go down, boom, but it hits a level. If you ever see the market hit a level and it does this and it wicks and it comes back with the next candle and it wicks again, that can let you know that, oh, okay, this is a strong support level, especially if it's on like the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. All right, so let me move my box out the way on this side so y'all can see what's going on. All right, cool. So yeah, so if you ever see that happen and you see like wicks like this, boom, wick, it keeps rejecting the area. So this right here is the support price point line. All right. So if you ever see that, just know like, okay, this market is strong in this area. So if you ever see it happen right there on a live chart, look left. If you look left, you can see that the market reacted off that point, off that price point in the past. And I guarantee you know, most of the time what the market does in the past, it does in the future. So that's why people say this market is just full of patterns. It's like art. It's like a pattern. It doesn't just move, you know, however it wants to move. It's going to have a certain amount of structure to it, market structure. Okay. So next we have resistance. Resistance is the ceiling. All right. So say you jumping trying to touch the ceiling, but you can't break through the ceiling when you jumping and touching it, right? So that's what resistance is. It can't break through a certain area. All right. So as you can see, the same way would be support, and if resistance, you have boom, the market comes up here, make a wick. Like, okay, if it does it again and it makes like a higher wick or something like that, or it may have multiple wicks to a certain area and it breaks below, like, okay, boom, this is a strong strong resistance area, right? It doesn't technically have to be like a line, you know, a certain line, like, okay, it's at this line. If it breaks this line right here, I'm going to do this and the third. Nah, bro, it's basically an whole overall area. So my overall area, I kind of just mark mine up from like the wick, from the body to the wick, and I just make like a little box from the body to the wick and just draw it over and just see kind of how the market fluctuates from that box. But yeah, that's what resistance is, okay? So support and resistance areas are easier to see on higher time frames. So like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. But I recommend you use the 4 hour and the daily, okay? Simply because if you see a rejection period on the 4 hour or on the daily, like those are like very strong areas. If you see multiple rejections, so like on the 4 hour, if you see like 3 rejections to the 4 hour, like okay, boom, let me see what that's going on. You know what I'm saying? Or in the daily, you see like multiple rejections on the daily, especially if you see like 2 or 3 candles on the daily rejecting the area. Drop down to like the 4 hour to 1 hour. I bet you see like a bunch of candles in there just going crazy, rejecting, and it lets you know like, okay, this is a strong support or a strong resistance area. I'm gonna make sure, you know, I'm tuning in to this area and just wait for like your EMAs to cross. Once your 5 and 13 EMA cross over, you know, you can wait for like a nice pullback, a nice rejection candle to that area, and then you can get in the trade and ride it out. Okay, so that's what support and resistance does for you. So let me make myself big. So that's what support and rejection. That's what support and resistance does for you, okay? It basically allows you to understand how the market is moving based on price. All right, so that's basically all it is. It's just price. The market hits a certain price point, it struggles to break. That means, okay, if it struggles to break a support, if it struggles to break support, that means, okay, it's not ready to sell. So that means the buyers are getting in at this level and it's taking the market up. And if it struggles to break resistance, that means the sellers, there's not enough buyers. The sellers are, you know, getting this price when it's right here. Like, oh no, we're about to drop it down. All right, so hey y'all, short and sweet video, man. I'm trying not to make these videos that long. I'm trying to make them short and sweet and understandable, okay? So the next video I'm gonna have next week is going to be breaking down, you know, support on basically how to spot it on the live chart and how you can mark it up and just basically have an overall price point, supported price point area. All right, so hey y'all, make sure y'all give me a like button, thumbs up, subscribe, also share this video. All right, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate y'all, you know, tapping in with your boy. Hey, love is always, man. And make sure y'all stay safe and just doing what you can each and every day to achieve your goals. If you're not doing what you can each and every day to achieve your goals, don't be mad when it don't come true. All right, man. But the day trader, holla at y'all. Love.